This is my saltwater tank with my sump and my wet dry system. This is a custom made saltwater tank. See, I got my sump up there. Now check it out. Got caught out there, huh? It's my phone, homie. My phone. My phone. My antique. Got caught out there. Thanks for watching.